Pre-engineered buildings are now very common in steel industry and widely used for different commercial structure like warehouse, factory set or office building due to its high durability, cost effectiveness and higher construction speed. To find optimum section required for different structural element, we can model the geometry in STAAD, assign web tapered I section with variable depth at start and end of the member, or use a plate girder section with intermediate stiffener, assign different member specification like tension only bracing, member offset or beta angle to adjust the position and orientation of purlin and guard, assign different gravity and lateral loads including wind and seismic load on wall and inclined roof. Finally, assign required design parameter for design, effective length factor, TJ parameter, STP or stiffener information. To define all this required information in a model, several hours of work is required. If the structure geometry is changed in the next project or load and soil condition is different from previous site, we need to create the model again from scratch. This is kind of boring, right? Repeating same process again and again for different project. What if I tell you there is a way to generate any design ready structural model in STAAD within 10 seconds using structural automation? Just by providing some information about structure geometry like length, purlin and bracing, standard and tapered section, load or design parameter, in a single click, we can generate entire model within few seconds, including roof wind load. Not only this, there are several other scenarios where we can use automation to minimize manual effort, including auto adjustment of member offset when assigned section is changed, solid model generation for tunnel or machine foundation, or generation of moving vehicle load on any plane or inclined ramp, considering load components from all three axes. In my next session on automation with STAAD, I will discuss about all this automation technique for modeling, how we can develop different applications using Excel or STAAD script editor, and link those to STAAD. See you soon.